This is me playing PlayStation 1. This is Wu-Tang Clan Shaolin Style. Just to let you know that PlayStation 1 games do play on this one. This is the first one. This is the first one. You flip it over, make sure the game don't skip. That's the first one. This is the second one. The back looks better. The stickers are not put up and messed up. And let me see. It's a game in here. It's a demo. What does this say? Shadow of Colossus, Soul Calibur 3, Slight 3, Jak X Combat Racing, Ratchet Deadlocked. And like I said, this is the first one. This is the one with the put up stickers and stuff. This one plays PlayStation 1 games and PlayStation 2 games. And this is Wu-Tang Clan Shaolin Style. My sister, she went in the washroom. I don't know why, so I have to hold the camera with one arm. And play the game with one arm, one hand. So I'm gonna do story mode with, I think I just chose RZA. Let me skip that. Who cares about that? Whenever you decide to buy the PlayStations, you'll be able to see the movie scenes or whatever. Okay, this is the first board. You're in the little courtyard. You have to choose which oh my goodness, I'm not able to, I gotta go to only one now. I can't choose which one I want to do. I suppose I'm gonna get beat up. Go in there. Okay. I think this is the RZA, and we're about to get our butts kicked. Alright. Okay, X to continue. Okay, see, I'm just kicking and doing what I can to stay survive with one arm. Oh my goodness, I'm getting slaughtered out there. Alright, I think I'm done playing this, showing you guys this, okay? So I'm going to stop right here.